Cardify Finance app pricing explained what you get for your money. Cardify Finance is an investment and personal finance app designed to simplify portfolio management and budgeting. Most people assume finance apps charge hidden fees, but Cardify is upfront about its costs. Platform offers a free basic account with limited features, while premium accounts cost per month depending on the tier. Premium users gain access to automated investing, portfolio tracking, and advanced analytics, trading fees for stocks, and its average 0.25% per transaction, and there are no hidden charges for deposits or withdrawals. Cardify also provides fractional shares, risk-based portfolio allocation, and personalized financial insights. This combination makes it easy for beginners and experienced investors to manage their money efficiently. The surprising truth is that for a small monthly fee, users can access tools that combine budgeting, investing, and financial tracking in a single platform, reducing the need for multiple apps. In conclusion, Cardify Finance app pricing is simple, transparent, and value-driven. By understanding the subscription and trade fees, investors can confidently manage their finances and investments in one easy-to-use app.